I will show you how you can make short videos like this account using just a single AI tool. It's no secret that channels uploading these kinds of videos are blowing up on YouTube and other platforms like TikTok and Instagram. This channel went from 0 to over 100,000 subscribers with only 76 uploads. The good part is, he's doing the same thing on TikTok. His account there has 86,000 followers with only 43 uploads. In my opinion, this niche is still trending, and new creators are getting millions upon millions of views, especially on TikTok and YouTube. You'll find many new accounts getting millions of views, so no need to wait. Let's get started. Now, let's start by finding a viral video idea. There are plenty of ways to do this, but when starting out, it's best to go for a trending topic. That way, people are more likely to click on your content since it's already popular. It's simple. Just open Google Trends and enter any general keyword. For instance, try history. Now let's click here and set it to worldwide. This way we'll see what's trending around the globe, but you can target a specific location if you prefer. Next, click here and change the time range to past 30 days. Alright, as you can see, the information we're getting is from web searches, but we can change it to YouTube searches. Now, if I scroll down, you'll notice there are plenty of trending topics. You can simply copy these topics and save them to your Google Doc. Another way to find trending ideas is by checking your competitor's channel. Switch to their videos and then sort them by popularity. This method will show you their top performing videos. You can create videos with the same title or idea using the tool I'll introduce soon. You can also discover trending ideas on TikTok. Just open TikTok and search for a popular keyword. TikTok will show you all the top performing videos related to that keyword. You can also see what people are searching for. If you click on any of these videos, TikTok will give you another set of related trending ideas. This process makes it easier to create a similar video and potentially go viral. You can take these ideas and make even better videos with the tool I'm about to show you. Alright, go to the video description and click the first link. This will take you to a page like this one. This is the tool we're going to use to create our videos. Make sure to sign up for an account. Once you've completed the sign up process, you'll see a dashboard like this. As you can see, this tool allows you to generate shorts with AI generated videos, as well as AI images. You also have options to create AI avatars, generate captions, and even make videos from posts on X. Let's click the AI Video Shorts button here, and then click Destination to select where you want your video to be posted. I will choose email because I want to review the video before publishing it. Next, click Script Type and choose between the available options. Let's select the first option since we only have a video idea and not the script. Now, click this button. Here, you'll see a variety of niches. If you don't like the history niche, you can choose another one. The history niche is still available here, but since we have our own idea, we'll use the custom option to create the video. However, if you don't have an idea, you can stick with the history option. Alright, let's click on the custom topic option. Now we need to enter our topic or video idea, so let's paste it here. Next, we need to select a voice. These voices are realistic, so there's no need to worry about monetization. Listen to the available voices and pick the one you like. Next, we'll choose a model. For my videos, I typically select Leonardo Phoenix or Leonardo Kino XL, but I recommend trying different ones to see which fits your video best. Now, click here to select your language. Next, choose the type of captions you want. I prefer this style here because captions with emojis are trending right now. Let's select the video duration. Finally, choose the aspect ratio and click Create. Alright, so you can see that the tool is generating the script. The script is ready so you can see it generating the video for us. This is going to take some time. Alright, the result is ready now. Let's check it.
In 1521, the island of Mactan was home to a chieftain of great courage and strength, Lapu-Lapu. The Portuguese explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, arrived, seeking to claim the island for the Spanish crown. Lapu-Lapu refused to submit, leading to the infamous Battle of Mactan. The islanders, despite being outnumbered, fought with a passion that was unmatched. Lapu-Lapu's bravery led his people to victory, proving that the spirit of freedom was stronger than any armor. And so, the Battle of Mactan became a symbol of resistance and the courage of Lapu-Lapu, a testament to the spirit of the Filipino people.
I think everything looks perfect, so let's save it to our device by clicking the download button below. Now you can easily create a viral history video by following this simple method. Don't forget to share the video, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.